Scratching is a normal marking activity for cats. It helps other cats know that they're in the area. It helps your cat feel safe and secure by marking their home territory. But if your cat is scratching your curtains, if they're shredding the arms of your sofa, then you need to know how to transition your cat to using a scratching post. Hi, I'm Dr. Alex from ourpetshealth.com, helping you and your cat live a healthier, happier life. And the first step to getting your cat to use their new scratching post is to choose a post that's at the angle that they prefer. So if your cat is scratching vertical surfaces, so like curtains or the arms of your sofa, then using a standard scratching post that's upright is going to be important. If though they're clawing and they're ripping up the carpet and they're scratching a horizontal area, then actually using a flat scratching post is going to be important, because it's really important to work with your cat and give them something that they prefer to use to start with. The next step is to make sure the scratching post is a material your cat actually likes. So you can get them in carpets, in cardboard is another big one, because some cats, they really don't like the carpet. It gets caught on their claws, they get hung up and they can't scratch through that. So switching to a cardboard type scratching post, although it's not going to last as long and you're going to have to replace it more frequently, they are typically a little bit cheaper to buy in the first place, but it's going to make all the difference with your cat actually using them.
Just a quick interlude, as I realised I forgot one of my bullet points, and that was to make sure that your cat's scratching post is really nice and stable. So your cat's not going to use it if it's wobbling all over the place, if they feel like it's going to fall over on top of them. Just think your cats choose to scratch maybe the arms of your sofa or your door. These are things that are not going anywhere, and your cat's scratching post needs to be the same. So make sure it's got a heavy base or it's got a really wide base so that it's nice and stable when your cat comes to scratch it.
When you first introduce a new scratching post as well, you need to place it in an area where your cat is currently scratching. So even if that's in the middle of the sitting room and it's not where you ideally want their scratching post to be, you start off with it there. Once your cat is happy and is using it, you can then start to slowly move it to an area where you prefer to keep it. You can also attract your cat to their scratching post by using a catnip treat or a catnip spray, or even a pheromone fell-away spray, just to help them feel comfortable and actually attracted to that area, to get them using that scratching post in the first place. And when we're training a dog, we think of using food treats, and your cat is no different. So find a tasty treat that you know your cat really enjoys, and whenever they use their scratching post, give them a treat straight away, so they've got that positive association with scratching on their scratching post, and it's a behaviour that you're encouraging. Now, if you don't want a scratching post, or you're having difficulty and it's taking a long time to transition, you could consider instead using stick-on claw covers for your cat. Please never declaw your cat. It is inhumane and completely unnecessary. Now, if you want to learn more about cat stress and how to help them cope, make sure you check out the video linked on screen now. And until next time, I'm Dr. Alex. This is Our Pets Health, because they're family.